What's up, guys? Day 2 of trying to get this bike cleaned out in the carburetors. I hope I don't have to drop the bowls and actually clean them out correctly. So, a couple things you'll notice if you know this bike, 97 wrecked rebuild Honda Magna 750, is they're quiet when they idle. Even with the Vance and Hines pipes, they're quiet. You should not wear shorts riding this bike. 2 giant pipes right there where your legs are going to go down. It's dangerous, so you gotta straddle the bike. Don't do it. Don't ride with shorts on anyway. Always have your protection. Today I'm here picking up shoes for the kids from Dick's, and I thought about naming this video something gross, something silly, but it might get demonetized. So anyway, we're at the Dick's, and that's all I'm going to say about that. So we're sitting in curbside pickup waiting for Dick's to bring out shoes, which I'm going to put in this kid's backpack. This red LL Bean that I sold. I sold one on eBay, and then someone sent this back to me saying that it was torn. This was not my backpack, guys. This was not, mine was brand new. And they sent this back to me. So anyway, this thing is not yet ready to have a clean bill of health. It's amazing how fast gas gums up carburetors these days. I know, I didn't ride this a lot. Sat for a couple weeks. I was sick, we went on vacation, and this poor bike just sat. When you're riding, you can hear that it is not, I'd like to say breathing, but it's not fully engaged. You can hear the difference from a healthy Magna to the non-healthy Magna. Yep.
Pick up Hollander?
Yep.
Perfect. Stay on.
Thank you.
Good night.
You too. There's our shoes. They're gonna fit in this backpack. I hope they will. That's kind of a small box. Yesterday I went to the pet store and got pet bedding. I got liquor from the liquor store. I tried the new one, McKenna. It's really pretty good. Alright, we're gonna throw this in here. There we go. Yeah, that's easy. Really easy fit. Perfection. Alright. Gonna throw this on. Let's see. Make sure that everything is good. Alright. Describe your ride. Other. What are the options? Yeah, there's a motorcycle. Describe your ride. SUV, pickup, sedan, minivan, hatchback, other. There's a motorcycle. And it's black. Aw, honey, you chose black. Get $20 off. Sweet. Okay. She knows me. Alright. Here we go. Throw this in here since I have shorts on and I don't want to lose it. This bike is awesome. We just have to get her breathing correctly. Yeah, like I was saying, it's amazing how freaking fast carburetors gum up. Now, is that a problem with injectors? I don't know. I only have one bike with injectors. Haven't gotten on the road yet. 2008 CBR 600RR. The rest of the stuff I have are carbs, and I'm able and willing to work on them just for the sheer fact that most of my bikes have carbs and I don't like to work on them. That's the problem. Who likes to take apart their bike? Not me. Okay. Not me. I'd prefer to keep the bike intact and running. But you have to do the due diligence of running them every so often. Keeping that gas in. Now it just so happens the gas that was in this was not non-ethanol fuel, which I love to run. But in that instance, I didn't have the opportunity to run non-ethanol because I went to a gas station after I ran out. And I was on reserve and my only option was regular gas, which is fine as long as you run it through fast enough. Well, I didn't. So here we go. get back out here, watch all the chaos in parking lots and such. We're gonna jump on here and see if this is cleared out yet. You can tell it's just kind of holding back. It's not 100% happy. Like I said, it's been a while since I rode, but these Magnas are really forgiving, except that they have a lot of horsepower, a lot of torque. You got to be careful riding them, especially when your carbs aren't quite right, because they'll pop on you and all of a sudden you got all the power and you weren't ready for it, and then it jerks and then you wreck. So don't do that. Here we go. See if we can listen for it. Ready? Sounds bad. I don't know, it didn't do it that time. I don't want to mess around in traffic. We'll notice when we get to the highway. So far so good, but on the way down here it was still sputtering. I wouldn't say it's sputtering. I can tell I have fuel. There's just dirt that's gummed up in there. It's not letting it all through when it should. Alright, go under the bridge, you gotta rev it. Bridge revving. Gotta love bridge revving. Okay, here we go. I can tell it's not right. It's gonna skip. She didn't. I still feel like she's not right. You should not be walking on the highway. She seems to be giving me what I need, oddly enough, even though she doesn't sound right. Nowhere to go safely, and I don't want to show you bad habits, so let's follow. I might run some fuel cleaner through here. Hopefully that's all we need. Seems relatively good now. It's not like I'm afraid she's going to shut down or anything. This is a sport bike engine. The V4s are pretty quiet and smooth and just great. Lovely. But then you throw it into a Magna. She's like a sport bike in a cruiser form. Now, this is only the 750, so she's not. Well, she might knock your socks off, but she's not the fastest thing anywhere. But she's pretty quick. It's a short little ride tonight. Like I said, just getting the shoes for the kids. You're gonna stay over there, Volvo? Alright. So that's fun. Good little trip. I'm not cold. It's a nice night out. I gotta get all the riding I can in before it starts getting cold, so it's August, but it's really chill out. I don't ride this bike all the time in the summer because it's so hot, and I don't want to wear jeans everywhere I go. I typically don't ride this bike without wearing jeans. So that's why she doesn't always get ridden. I'm surprised she's actually seemingly behaving. Ooh. Careful with that downshift. I'm in neutral. Alright, let's give her one more trek. No, no, I should have had way more giddy up than that. I'm gonna have to take these carbs apart. Like I said, I'll run some cleaner. Keep riding. Try and get her back without taking her apart, but being a mechanic, I can do that. Well, any one of you can do that too. You like to mess with gas? It's fine. Yeah. She should have way more power. I don't know why everybody's sitting around not going anywhere. I'll see you guys on the next one. Get on, ride. Bye.